Hi everybody, it's Therese. I'm here to share my winnings from Mona, who's 63 Sonotech / US Traveler. I entered her Memory Decks card challenge, and this is what I received in the mail. And I'm going to throw these away. So first of all, I haven't opened it. I opened it, but I didn't really dig in. And thank you, Mona. This was a sweet note. She says, "Thank you for entering my challenge. After the drawing, I noticed I did not write your extra entries down." That's silly. You didn't have to do that at all. So I think she made... Oh, I don't want to ruin this pretty... I think she made me a Memory Decks card. I love it. Oh my gosh, let me open it because it's so cute. Oh. So, and she made me a tag. Or is this an embellishment? Can I use it? I love these. These look like my... I love that, Mona. I want to try that out because I just bought me some glasses dies. That is such a cool. I bet that's the same one. Oh my gosh. I want to try that out. Okay, cool. Thank you, Mona. That's so pretty. I love it. I love this one too, the pink and black. So pretty. Thank you. And then she, oh my gosh, she added some wood veneers. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh wow. I love using these. Oh, this one says darling. Look at that. This one says forever. Look at all these. Oh my gosh, I love them. Look, there's a teddy bear. I love teddy bears. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Mona. Wow. Okay, so she gave me some of those, and oh, I love these spools. Oh my gosh. Look at the teeny tiny one. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Mona. That is so cool. I love using these. I need to use them more. Now I got a ton. Okay, so now this is the, I think this is the paper. I'm not too sure. I think so. Oh yeah, those cards that she that was my prize, was the cards. Thank you, Mona. Oh my god. Oh, and I do not have this paper pad. Oh, this is so cool. Oops, sorry. Oh, this is cool. I think this is the same pad that Paige showed on her I failed page. I have my bases done for our swap page. I just haven't put them together, and you know, with everything that went on, I got stuck and I haven't created since then. It's my whole place is a mess. Look at this one. This one says celebration. Oh, these cards are cool for birthdays, and I missed the birthday cards this month as well, and Christmas tags. Oh, I just been very blah, I should say. So thank you, Mona, for this beautiful prize, and this is so pretty. I love it. I love, love, love your Memory Decks cards. They're so pretty. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, thanks everybody for watching. I need help. I need some inspiration to craft again. I just haven't had the feeling. I come in here and I love everything. I just don't have the feeling to do anything. So, hopefully, I need to get my butt going because I'm in couple swaps, and I, you know, need to get on that. So, thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.